Okay, seyiwinile i-Chiefs ke niyasinika yini? Hawu, hey, that's my Georgia.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Guys, yatabekho abantu labazondola Mzansi njenga Sibinzi uMpumelelo Mseleku and uSiyaqela. Yo guys, the hate that they receive lapha kuma social media platforms, ngisho umuntu angatpostelani like he'll always get dragged, batodrekwa nje baphendulwe bashoniswe le. So uMpumelelo Mseleku did a video after qeda kunikeza Chiefs athe niyasinika noma nisinike ngoba seyiwinile. You guys, leya video isuselo omkhulu umsindo lapha kubo TikTok whereby people were saying ukuthi masifake indzabeni takho naterelo yakho naterelo leyo. So some people had the following to say, what is Tega yena, when are you graduating? This is after graduate uMpilo Mseleku, his sister. So suselo omkhulu umsindo ke uMpilo ngemva graduate. People are asking ukuthi uSibinzi noSinike naba graduate ani nothi za uyabhora shem lo mfana uthi akatleho page yebo sizokunikeza izinqwadi ufunde. So guys, people are saying ukuthi why kani uSibinzi na sine bangafunzi baze bondlulwa umntwana nje uMpilo uthi mamsi awume notata owesi uthi inhlaksi mthethwa graduation yakho inini. Uyaphendula ke uMpumelelo uthi yandlula kudala eyami. So yena he was really replying to people lapha uma bamdrega uthi ulikhona ithemba ezakho noterelo lezo ungazifaki thina. So she was basically saying ukuthi ungasifaki thina indzabeni takho naterelo shemayi wasihlangana nje thina nato. So indlela badreywa ngakhona labanye abantu ba social media platforms, they even turn off their comment section. Even usine like hlezi shembe kadreywa mntwana abantu lapha kuma comments lapha nje ku TikTok bantu abaningi bahlezi bamdrega always, until girl decided to finally turn off mama comment section akhe. Akasafuni nje kuva lutho oliqhamuka kini Sini uyatipostela nje aka-receive ma-comments, aka-receive anything, just likes only because bantu ba-TikTok bayakhuluma. And one thing I've noticed, there's so much hate lapha ku-TikTok, but ku-Instagram, Instagram ayikho hate. Kufana na Lady Zama, people are always dragging her ngale ndzaba yasijava, even till today makaposta i-picture or i-video lapha ku-TikTok, people will always lanza liyandzaba liyasijava ukuthi ungakhohlwa ukuthi wena kusijava, usijava ushaya ifilosofi. Like people are just dragging uLady Zama lapha ku-TikTok, but Instagram ayibungena ku-Instagram ya Lady Zama, there's no hate. Nanoma ngibani guys uyodrekwa kuphela ku-TikTok, ngisho makafika ku-Instagram and there's so much love lapha, and the very same people lapha badregako lapha ku-TikTok because babona abantu ku-Instagram bakhomenta ama-comments la right. Ayikho nje lento yokudrigana lapha ku-Instagram, ngeke uyibone ngisho ne-comments le-1 lengasile lebheke eceleni. The hate is just on a TikTok only, not other social media platforms, not Instagram. It is so much love lapha yashem. So people are dragging guy uMpumelelo ukuthi ayiqa hambe yofunza graduate abekele kusibhora. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I am signing out. Goodbye.